Ron Brown here at beautiful Fort Pierce Inlet here in Florida here on Hutchinson Island. I'm about to do a drone flight over the inlet area here. There's a lot of background noise here because it's busy with people, plus you're doing beach replenishment here, which you're going to see in a video here in a few minutes. And yeah, I love this area here. It's like a walkway here, people going by. We got some pelicans playing around. You're going to see the pelicans here, and yeah, it's a beautiful area. I recommend coming down here. We got a guy over here playing guitar, guy up here cleaning fish. So yeah, come along with me on my journey today as I fly the inlet here, get you all the shots. This isn't a restricted area right where I'm staying, but close by us. So we did get our LANC approval today for this flight, so we're good to go here. Yeah, so again, with no further ado, let's get this drone in the air and look this area over. All right, Ron back here. We completed our flight today with the Mavic 4 Pro. We toured the whole Fort Pierce Inlet. We even ran into some drone superstars here. Here's Marcus Crawford in from Idaho, checking out Fort Pierce as well.
Can I talk to your audience for a second?
Marcus, you have the floor.
Well, the real pro is Ron Brown. He's the guy. Ron is like the heart and soul of these kind of events. He's helping everybody, always giving us good directions, finding cool places to fly like this. Thank you, Ron.
Thank you. And you know, some folks that weren't so thrilled about coming to the Fort Pierce Day, but I think we changed their minds, right?
We may have.
And,
this was cool.
And
even with the wind, I mean, it was great. It was fine.
I only got one wind warning.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now, what about lunch? Did we have a good lunch today?
Well, I flew over the restaurant and I told everybody on my video that was a great place for lunch. What was the name of it?
The Island Grill.
Island
It had
Grill.
a bigger name than that, but that was the main part of the name.
Good enough. Good grouper sandwich.
We recommend a grouper.
Grouper sandwich was good. Yeah.
So that's the conclusion here. Fly a drone, get a grouper sandwich. It's going to be a beautiful day, right?
It is. It's a
and don't forget to follow the Idaho Quadcopter channel.
Oh,
we got passers-by here.
Yeah, they're coming.
Yeah, they're coming through here. Yeah. So it's a busy place, folks. On Sunday afternoon, you can't get a better spot than the.
Don't stand in the middle of the sidewalk like me and Ron were doing.
The Fort Pierce. You may get ran over. So okay, we're going to see you on the next, and we're going to see you every Monday night at 9 p.m. on Eastern Standard Time on Drone Nation, aren't we?
Drone Nation.
Yep. Come on over, join us, talk some drones, and you know, give us your opinions on what's going on with drones. So we'll see you. Over and out, folks.
Bye.
Bye.